What's up, guys? New merch out now. Go cop right now. What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing, but you better cop after the video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, enjoy. What's good, YouTube? I'm gonna be showing you guys how to like get a fire background. I don't know how to explain it, but you see it on the screen right here. But yeah, subscribe, bro. Come on. But all you gotta do is download this thing called Widgetsmith. I already have it installed or whatever. So you go there. All right, you see all my like thingies right there, and then just look up something and then add the photos. Go to add small widget right there, and then click it and click it again. Go down and then go to photo, and then press selected photo, and then shows in photo or choose photo, and then pick that. Back, save. It's easy, bro, I'm telling you. But I mean, that's pretty much how you do it. And then you just hold down on it, and then right here you go to small. Okay, so press on small, add widget. Okay, click on it again, and click the thing, small 7, which is my like the picture's name. Alright, so that's pretty much how to do it. I mean, it's pretty simple. If you guys haven't subbed yet, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that. Share this video with your friends. I recommend this video to everybody. And let me just show you my sub count real quick. Let me just show you real quick. I'm literally so close to 2,000. Or I'm not hella close, but like, you know, we're almost there. Alright, so it would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know when I post. Look, just look at this. Look at this. Look, bro. Literally, yeah. 1.4. Like, bro, come on, give me the 2,000, bro. Come on. But I think that's gonna wrap it up. If you guys did enjoy, smash the like button, all that good stuff. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'm out, man. Peace.